Good morning, everyone. My dear students, I am M. Sharma, the PGT teacher, DPS School, Yamunanagar. Today, I am explaining to you how to write an article. An article is an integral part for all the students from classes 8 to 12. And how we are going to write an article. Article basically implies how we have to actually execute an article. When we are executing an article, we have to make sure that firstly we know the rubrics. What are the rubrics? Means we know the topic, we know the question, and we understand that topic and question. It does not mean we do not know anything about the topic and we are marching ahead to write that topic. Point 1. Second point, we should have a well devised plan, a comprehensive plan, a well integrated plan, amalgamated plan. Plan means what will be our heading, what will be our main ideas, how we are going to diversify those ideas, how we are going to bifurcate our paragraphs, which idea is to be used in which paragraph, and whatever we are writing, our writing should address the question and the audience we are dealing with. We should not go against the essence of the article, the question which has been asked. Second point. Third point, coherence. Choose the appropriate use of vocabulary. Appropriate use of vocabulary requires there should be no spelling errors. Use good vocabulary, rich vocabulary. Don't use wrong phrases or the phrases which has no relevance to the article. Point 4, my dear students, avoid grammatical mistakes like don't use verb and subject. If the verb and subject agreement is not taking place, don't use such sentences. Use long and short sentences. Use complex sentences that will tell you have a grip over the sentences. Do not use wrong tense formation. Do not use wrong verbs forms like this. Your paragraphs, next point, the fifth point, your paragraph should be well organized, well knitted, cohesive, amalgamated, meticulous, error free, refined, rejuvenated, like this. 6. Do not use cliche words. Cliche words, my dear students, means overused words, boring words. Use unique words. Don't use the words which are jarring, boring, and ineffective. Use quotations. Quotations can be used at the starting of the essay, in the middle of the essay, and at the end of the essay. So this is the technique which we have to employ to use an article. Another important technique which we use with the article is that with the article how to submerge this article, means how to submerge the article. While submerging the article, we have to firstly write the heading, and if it is asking about some newspaper, write the name of the person who is writing that newspaper in the bracket. Then in the first paragraph you should give the introduction and what you are going to write about. In the second paragraph, expand the main ideas which you have discussed in the first paragraph in 3-4 paragraphs, and each paragraph taking a part of your heading and subheading. In the third paragraph, you basically give the gist of the entire passage. You give the recommendations, opinions, the writer's opinion. In the fourth paragraph, it's the end. In the end, you should say what is needed to be done.